counted me out. They thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly.
Dude, what it do, man? We out here. Finna get ready to go out here to Memphis Blak show, man. Do a cold start real quick so we can get on out here, man. 5 o'clock, 5:21 to be exact. To a car meet, y'all see him? Y'all see him? Hitting them squishes. Probably gonna raise it back up. Y'all see him, boy? Hitting them switches. He built him an LS for it too, y'all. He built him an LS for it. So he gonna let me know when he drop it in. Keep it locked.
There's a speed camera ahead.
Y'all see Migo, man. Migo hitting them jump, boy. Like we out in Cali, boy. Y'all see what's going on. Memphis, boy, like we in Cali.
Watch the cop move. She watching the Migo. You watching the Migo.
3-wheel motion on you, boy. 3-wheel motion on you. Quit playing with him. We gonna put on the show. He feeling good today, boy.
Yeah, he might be done now.
Still looking down there.
He need to look up. We gonna try and pull himself. He couldn't pick up. Hold in the road, we go. Look at the home reason how he been relaxing now.
This light. Then, at the next one, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto the Tennessee 385 West ramp.
If I said 2 o'clock, it's gonna be about 3, might be.
He goes slabbing too, y'all.
With the AC on.
With the AC on. Quit playing. God,
wait a
damn.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna beat my. I'm gonna beat my toe.
He goes slabbing with the AC on, man.
Half a mile, use the right 2 lanes to take the I-.
What up now? What up, homie? Nothing much, you alright?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good to see you, man.
Likewise, brother.
Yeah. What's up, homie? You alright? Yeah, man.
Long time.
Yeah, long time no see, man.
This ain't nothing. This was
last minute type stuff.
Okay. Y'all see it, man. All these good desserts out here. What's the name? What's the name?
Ivy's House of Creation.
Ivy's House of Creation. Y'all see it, man.
Yep.
Make sure we get that number now. 662-462-1335, man.
426.
Oh, huh?
662-426.
Yeah, 426.
1335.
1335, man. Y'all see it, man. And she, check this out, man. She got spicy bowls. She got spicy green apple, which is pickles. One of them got ham hocks in it, she said, y'all. This John Hill got some ham hocks in it, man. Yeah, man. Make sure y'all hit her up. Y'all want some of these good treats, man. Watermelon, strawberry, kiwi. Yeah, man. Hit her up. They look real good. She done made me go shopping. Yeah.
What's up, man? It's anything but shortcuts, man. I go by Q, man. I'm from Georgia, man. My way of Detroit, Michigan, man. I'm here up here in Oakland,
Tennessee, yeah.
Here at my boy 78 Blak's car show. We here. My boy 78Chevyboi here, man. Support my boy.
Yes, sir.
Making it, man. Let's
Yes,
get it.
sir. Make sure y'all go.
Like, subscribe, comment.
Y'all
Anything
see
but
it.
shortcuts. 1980 colors. We coming out soon. It's in the paint shop now.
Yeah.
About to see it very soon.
For sure.
Boy, checking in with you.
Yeah, appreciate that, homie. 78Chevyboi, man. We out here at Memphis Blak Car Show, man. Me and BossLady. Y'all didn't know I had BossLady with me, did it? Y'all didn't know that. Hold up. See what she doing? Got the French fry in her hand, man. But yeah, we out here, man. We just hit up Scrape the Plate, man. And it do look good. We got a salmon club. We got us a salmon club with the fries, man. And we got the Tito's and the Yeti. I mean, in the Stanley, man. Yes, sir. We out here, man. Well, I'm gonna get out and get y'all some footage in a minute, record some cars, and get that footage, man, like we always do when we come to a car show, man. You hot?
Yes, yes.
Good.
So we finna scrape the plate.
Yeah, we finna scrape the plate real quick, man.
Hot there.
And we'll be back at y'all when I jump out and get the footage. All right.
Hershey, we going up. 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 Hershey, we going up.